We would be honored if you would join us.
Okay, so we've just collected a whole bunch of material for the new studio. The small one. Whoa. Okay, let's quickly find where's the small one.
It's all fake news. It's phony stuff. It didn't happen.
All right, so we are over at Insol Pro. They are our supplier of Rockwool. Do you guys have any idea what this is? Well, you're going to be able to learn. Essentially, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be creating acoustic panels for Ruan for the new studio that we're going to be building. And of course, we're going to have Ruan from Search Sound come in and take some professional measurements. We're going to be showing you some of the powers of Smaart. I might possibly do some stuff within REW as well. But if you want to learn about acoustics, well, this is going to be quite nice because, well, we're going to show you how it's done. If you want to find out more information, you know the drill. Come and find us over on Facebook and YouTube. Okay, Ruan, so you've just grabbed some panels, right? How are you feeling, bro?
A little bit overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed? Why?
A little bit itchy.
He has no idea. If you have never worked with any form of acoustic material, it's not the nicest stuff to work with, but of course it's relatively safe. Now, Ruan, you've obviously had no experience building acoustic panels. What do you think is going to happen?
I think I'm gonna have to ask you that question.
That is correct.
Tell everyone a little bit about this studio space, because I don't think people know, or we haven't really spoken to anyone about what is going down content-wise. But the studio is quite a nice little place. Do you want to maybe just cover a little bit of information on that?
I think